Hi, thanks for joining me on my next video. In this video, I'm just going to demonstrate the new Behr lid that comes with their paint cans. It's a plastic lid. It's supposed to prevent rusting on the top part. As well, it's supposed to have an easy pour system. So when I picked this up at Home Depot, being COVID and all, they did a delivery curbside, and they did not include the spout. So I had to go back and get the spout. You can still pour this conventionally by removing the plastic lid as you would normally on a metal lid, and that's going to make a mess. So this is supposed to be spill proof. So here's your spout that comes with it. It's supposed to come with it, and they say you can either unscrew this directly, but if you find that it's a little bit hard, what you can do is just take the spout and turn it upside down and use that as a key. And you can just put that on there like so, and then just unscrew it. There you go. So I got it unscrewed. You remove the lid, and then you screw on the spout. Make sure it's on there tight, it's not going to come flying off. Now you've got yourself a lid that you can pour with. So I'm just going to show you how easy it's supposed to be to pour into your pan. As you can see, it seems to be quite easy. And when you're done, just kind of slowly go up. Is it spill proof? Not really spill proof, but it's better than what it was. As you can see, it still did spill, not as much as it would if it didn't have that spout, but whatever works for you. I'm not sure if I really like this or not, but just something more now to clean. I got to clean the spout. Anyways, thanks for joining me on this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.